Imagine the determination of a woodpecker. With its sharp beak, it hammers into tree bark up to 20 times per second. That's faster than the blink of an eye. It's not just about food, it's about survival. Now consider this. Woodpeckers peck to communicate, to establish territory, to attract mates. It's a language, a rhythm, a song of the forest. But there's more. Inside that tiny head, nature has engineered shock absorbers to protect the bird's brain from impact. A marvel of evolution indeed. So the next time you hear that familiar tap tap tap, remember the woodpecker. A master carpenter, a resilient survivor, a messenger of the woods. We share this world with incredible creatures, and there's always more to learn, more to discover. Stay curious, stay fascinated. Until next time.